Okay, here in this video we're going to discuss how we can construct the circle that goes around any triangle. That's called the circumscribed circle. And what we're going to see is how the center of that circle changes as we move this triangle from acute to right to obtuse. Okay, so again, we're going to look at seeing how we can construct a circle around any triangle. So here we go. I'm going to start with a new sketch. Okay, a new page, if you will. Okay, and I'm going to start by building a triangle. And by definition, a triangle is 3 points and the 3 segments connecting them. Okay, so we're going to just construct our 3 points. We'll label them A, B, C. And we will now connect the points with segments. Segment AB, segment BC, and segment AC. Now that nice thing about that triangle when we select it is that it's perfectly flexible. Okay, we can make an obtuse triangle, an acute triangle, or a right triangle. Of course, the way in which we would need to know that is by checking out the angles. So let's select points A, B, C in that order, and let's measure the angle. Okay, so we'll know if in fact we have a right triangle. We'll try to get that to be a 90-degree angle. So there we're approaching it. Okay, but a better way is to actually worry about that when we get the circle. Now, in order to construct the circle is said to be the intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of the sides. Now, what does that mean? Well, again, perpendicular is at right angle, bisectors cutting in half. So I'm going to select 2 of the 3 segments. From the construct menu, I'm going to choose a midpoint. Then I'm going to select a segment along with its midpoint, and I'm going to construct the perpendicular. I do that once more for another side, side AB, construct the midpoint, then selecting the midpoint as well as the segment. Okay, I'm going to construct the perpendicular. Now I have my 2 perpendicular bisectors of the sides. I can see that they meet right here. I'm going to allow the sketch pad to find that point of intersection, construct the intersection. Okay, and then that's going to be the center of the circle. So select the center circle tool. That's going to reach out to my 3 vertices of the triangle exactly. Okay, and there it is. There's my circumscribed circle. Now, as you can see here, my triangle is at this stage a obtuse triangle, and the center of that circumscribed center, known as the circumcenter, is outside of the triangle. Let me devise this to try to make this into a right triangle, and you'll see once that is a right triangle, okay, the center of the circumscribed circle is right at the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Make this acute. Again, all the angles less than 90, and the center of the circle is somewhere inside of the triangle. So acute, right, obtuse. And there you have the circumscribed circle around any triangle. That's it.